Yeah, I mean, so independent of Doge, even before Doge started, FDA had made a decision to cut money from state. FDA has historically been operating by giving funding to states through something called cap grants. And those cap grants have been in place for almost 10 years now, where they have funneled money to the states to do these produce inspections. And I think up to 30% of that money could go into education, right? So really spending time working with the universities, doing technical support and education for farmers. It's one of the reasons why we see the cost of a grower training being as inexpensive as it is in a lot of the states, because that money had come forward to that. FDA has cut those grants to states 40 to 60%. So we've seen a significant change in the money that FDA is giving to states to do that. They still want inspections to happen. And so the funding there has been targeted towards inspections. They have minimized or eliminated in most states the amount of that money that's going to technical support and education. And so for me, I think that's a mistake. And that might be self-serving, right? Because we get some of that money for education, but I think that we're rolling out post-harvest water, which is not an easy topic that farms need support on. We're in the very early stages of implementing pre-harvest water, which is this huge issue that states need support on. And so to pull that money away from that education and technical support, I think is a mistake. I think that we are better when we are all working together towards a common goal, right? None of our farmers are trying to make anybody sick, and none of our state regulators are trying to close a farm down. So when we can all work together and be on the same page to really help improve public health through food safety programs on farms, through education and technical support, we're in a better position.